Shalini's bag. Do you want to know what's inside me? Then keep on watching.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something different. I haven't done this before, so I thought why not do a video on what's in my bag. I'm going to be showing you everything that I carry on an everyday basis. This is my everyday bag. So yes, let's get started. So first let's talk a little bit about the bag that I carry. So this is the bag I got about 3 months back from Heatless. This is a New York based company. What I really love about this bag is that the shape of this bag, it is very spacious, very roomy, but at the same time it's not a very big bag. You would not want to carry a very big bag on an everyday basis, but this fits in everything really well. Also the color grey, I don't know why, but I'm loving grey at the moment. Everything that has grey in it becomes my favorite. So when I saw this grey bag, I was like, this is the color I want to have. It's super sturdy. I put in a lot of stuff. It's very roomy. It is not a very bright color, so I can team it up with a lot of different things that I wear every day. It is not a very bright color. It's very muted, very minimalistic, so it goes with a lot of things for an everyday wear. So the first pouch is this one. I got this from Forever New. This can double up as a makeup pouch, but I don't carry my makeup in this. I carry all of the sanitizing things. So I have some band-aids because I really get bad shoe bites, so I keep a few band-aids handy. Then I have a body mist from Victoria's Secret. Obviously you need mist. I mean, this is a small bottle, it's very light, it's not very heavy, so I carry this. Then we have some hand cream, almost over. Then we have some blotting paper because it's so hot in Bombay, you need blotting paper. Then I have some wet wipes. Obviously you need wet wipes if you're on the go. Everything is so dirty, dusty, polluted. So yeah guys, wet wipes, please carry them. Then I have a hand sanitizer that you need. So I'm very fussy, like when I'm outside and I don't have access to, like, you know, somewhere where I can wash my hands or go to the washroom. These things really come handy. You can just take a wet wipe, clean your hands or sanitize your hands. Then again I have some band-aids, a lot of band-aids. I don't know why I have earbuds for some reason. So that. And then I also have a nail cutter. I have a nail cutter because I have a very bad habit of playing with the skin around my nails. So if that happens, I rather just clip it off slightly than hurt myself and keep doing that. So that's why I carry a nail cutter. And then I carry a few Tic Tac clips because my hair is too short on the top here right now. So I just need to clip it away. Yeah, so this bag is empty. That is all I carry in this. Call this my sanitizing bag. Next is keychain. My house keys, very important. And I got this keychain holder from H&M. I just found that really cute. They have it in a lot of other colors like black, grey, I think pink. But I found this very cute. So yeah, keychains in this. Then I have this bag which has my makeup in it. I think I got this from Primark when I was traveling in London. Just the basic stuff. I have a contacts, I have some lip balm, I have some blush, I have my favorite everyday lipstick, which is a MAC Hair. Been loving this for the last 2-3 months. I have my MAC concealer that I use. I have the Benefit Pouf brow pencil. I have this, I don't know why I still have this in my makeup kit because I recently got eyelash extensions. If you guys haven't watched the video, I will put a link of it right now. I don't know why I carry this because I don't need to curl or use mascara anymore. So I think I need to get this out of my bag. Then I have nail filer. I carry this because I like to file my nails. I'm obsessed with filing my nails. So whenever I'm bored, I file my nails, so I carry this. And then we have another blush, which I don't use very often. I have the Makeup Forever Eyes Aqua. Now this I just use inside just to open up the eyes. Then I have some, this is it's like a bronzish pencil, but I just use it as eyeshadow sometimes when I'm on the go. I have a tweezer, something to just tame the brows. I have a kajal. I have this spoolie brush for my eyelashes. And I have a lip liner. Yeah, that's about it in my makeup kit. Then I have another hand cream because clearly I forgot I have another hand cream in my bag, so I'm carrying two at the moment. I love carrying hand cream because when you're in the AC or in the cab or in the Uber, my hands tend to get really dry, so I like to moisturize my hands. So I'm using this one from Sephora, which is the Gucci Hand Balm. And then I'm going to carry a small little diary. Now this is really chotu and very cute, so I can just carry this in my bag because I don't want to carry a big diary. If I have anything that's important, or like if I have any ideas or things that I want to take down, just video ideas or something I've thought of, I put it here, or I also put it in the notes section in my phone. But again, I like to take things down, it always helps better, I think. So this is the diary for it. And then I have my wallet. Now, just general wallet, which has I have my Aadhaar card, my PAN card, my debit cards, money, all sorts of cards, blah blah blah, all of that boring stuff in my wallet. And the last thing that I have is this little pouch, which is actually attached to the bag. If you want, you can remove it, like just clip it out and detach it, but I like to keep it attached. So what do we have inside this pouch? Very nice, like really good quality, the color, and really love this bag. Okay, guilty of this. I have my sunglasses without the cover. I don't know why, because the covers are so bulky and I couldn't fit anything else in my bag, so I just kept this in this pouch. Then I have headphones because when you're on the go you want to listen to music or watch a YouTube video. And that's about it. My bag is completely empty. That is all that I carry in my bag. Actually, I think it's quite a lot. If I see I've emptied out everything here, it's in a lot of stuff. It really is very helpful whenever I'm on the go. I have all of these things with me in my bag. So just like carry miniature versions or like small sachets or strips of things in your bag which you will require to just keep it more organized. So yes, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video. I've never done this. It was so much fun. Like this video, subscribe to my channel guys. Please hit on the subscribe button. My social media handles are right here. I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye.